In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if you cannot type on your Windows search bar. So let's get started. So right click on the start button and here you have to select File Explorer. Once you open the File Explorer window, simply locate this PC and click on that. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down and then we have to look for the Windows folder. This one, double click and then scroll down and look for the System32 folder. Okay, once you find System32, double click. Here in the search bar, simply type ctfmon. Okay, the same thing as what you can see. ctfmon, make a right click and then select show more options. Click on send to. Desktop create shortcut and then close this. So we now have the ctfmon shortcut right here on our Windows. Now press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Here simply type shell colon common space startup. Shell colon common space startup and click on OK. And in here we have to do the same thing as what I have done right here. So I have already pasted the shortcut from here. So in your case, minimize this window and then right click on the ctfmon shortcut on the desktop, select copy and then open again and then right click and then select paste it. Okay, so I have already pasted it right here. So once you have pasted the ctfmon shortcut right here, then close everything and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. In that way, that will fix the issue. Can type on your Windows search bar. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.